Officers in Wayne County, Kentucky respond to a shots fired call after a man attacks his own wife and son. What officers don't know is the man is satanic and attempting to summon the devil.
Stay back! Come on, throw your hands up! Sheriff's office!
Sheriff's office!
One.
Stay back!
Sheriff's office!
Sheriff's office!
Hold on. So he got any weapons or anything?
Yeah.
What's he got? A pistol?
The suspect's son informs officers that his father could be armed. He'll also soon reveal that he shot his own father during the altercation that started all this.
Daniel, seats. Platz. Fuß. Sits. Sits. Platz. Somebody come up here with me. Stay behind me. Sheriff's office with a canine! Come on, you're gonna be bit! Sheriff's office with a canine! Come on, you're gonna be bit! Sheriff's office with a canine! Come on, you're gonna be bit! Find me. Go find a man. Go find a man. Stay back in case she comes back out here, Drew. Dunya, find a man! He's got a door shut. Dunya, Foos! Foos! Dunya, Foos! Come here, Dunya! Dunya, come here! Dunya, come here! Foos! Foos! She go outside. Check her on back. Dunya, here! Foos! Here. Platz. Come here. Platz. He ain't run out back, has he? Somebody needs to watch the back.
Sheriff's office, show me your head! Show me your head! Show me your head!
Watch out. Move back. Move back, Jerry.
Jerry,
Jerry, move back.
Bring it to you,
Jerry, move.
Out now! Walk out now!
Jerry, move.
Come out now!
No.
Come out now!
Come out. Or you gonna get dog bit.
Come out now! You're gonna be bit!
Get the man, dude. Get on the fucking ground.
Ground!
Get on the ground.
Look at here.
Look at it! Hey, you officers, look at it! Look at it!
Get him, Dunya.
Look at
Turn
it!
that taser off. Turn it off.
Look at it!
Get it. Get on the fucking ground. Get on. Get off the fucking dog. Get off. I'll touch fucking dog. Get off my fucking dog. Get off my fucking dog.
No! Get back! No! Get in the house! Get in the house now! Stay back!
Get off my fucking dog.
Put your hands behind your back! 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 Get your other hand behind your back!
Let me get her out. No, Dunya. Night. Come on. In the car. Good girl. Good girl. Can we not bring him outside? We have any idea who he is?
I have no clue.
Where's the shot at?
The only blood I see that's dried is on his leg. There's a spot back here.
What about his butt there? Can y'all get his shoulders and stuff?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Where we going with it?
Just right here. Gunshot wound to the butt. What did he shoot him with?
I don't know. I've not even talked.
Is it him? The one that done the shooting?
I don't know.
Well, this young boy, or this boy kept coming up there hollering, "That's my dad, that's my dad."
Sheriff's office, I need you to talk to me. We got EMS coming.
Tell me he ain't dead.
No. Do you know who shot him? You did? What'd you shoot him with?
The gun's good.
What kind of gun is it? A 22? Did you shoot him in the buttocks around in that area?
Hey, what's his name?
Josh, this is the gun that Jacob used to shoot
This
him.
one?
That one, and I shot this one up in the air on my back porch,
Okay.
just trying
Please.
to get him off of Jacob.
Please, let me speak to my dad.
Just hang tight, man. What's he on?
He's not been
He's
right
not
for
on
3
nothing.
days.
Nah, he's taking something right now.
Suboxone. He goes to the Suboxone clinic.
Well, he may be on something else because
This
Look,
is the
he's
thing.
Yeah.
got into this Bible that he's been reading,
and I've been reading it with him. He's a good person.
That
This Bible
it's
has
like
come-
he's like trying to OD on us right now or something.
Hey, come on, talk to me.
Hey, Josh, you having some kind of mental thing, or you seeing people? Tell me what's going on.
Josh,
Still got a strong heartbeat. He's high as fuck.
Josh.
Like the only thing that's happened to him is where you shot him in the butt or whatever, and he got dog bit in the leg. So that's nothing to make him be acting the way that he is right now. And the reason why he got dog bit is because it's better than the alternative measure of shooting him.
Hey, Josh,
Hey, Josh.
what's going on with you?
When EMS gets here and we get him situated out, all right, well,
He's a good man.
okay.
It's not his fault.
Is he prescribed like any kind of like medication for like?
Just for substance is all.
Here, let me speak to my dad, please.
Okay, if he's able to talk, I mean, he's so out of it right now, he ain't even talking.
I want to see him anyway.
Okay, give us just a few minutes, man.
Josh.
Hey, where you hurting at?
Hey, get an ETA on EMS. ETA, EMS.
Here's the gun. It's 22. What's going on with you, brother?
This is my house and my son broke in.
Your son broke in?
Yes.
Okay. Have you taken anything today, brother?
No.
No? What's going on with you?
I'm trying to get one for you.
Are you prescribed any medication or anything? Have you took too much Suboxone today? Do you take Suboxone? No? You got any guns in there in the house, brother? Okay.
322s, my wife Karen Jake lottery.
Okay.
Hey, take a picture of my please. Raise my balls up.
Why?
Please?
What for?
Y'all gotta see it.
What's wrong with it?
Just look at it, you all. Don't be afraid. Look at what you all are gifted. Man's gotta struggle. Bust wood for his family. You don't trade nothing for your family.
We're gonna get you some help, okay, man?
Am I a threat? Am I a threat?
Hey, hold still. What you doing that?
Quit moving. Hey,
Moving.
quit.
We're moving.
Stop.
His condition and stuff, but he's got a gunshot wound back through here.
Where's our gunshot wound?
On his ass.
Which side, left or right?
I believe it's this cheek right
Do
here.
we have an exit?
I didn't see one.
Can you roll him on the side? No, it's this cheek right here, right there.
Right cheek. Do we know what he was hit with?
22.
Put him on the backboard and take him on up there.
You want him handcuffed in the front or you want to leave him like that?
They just tried to pull his off, so it's up to you.
Let's keep him in the back down.
Okay.
With as much bleeding as he got, I would recommend against it.
Does anybody know him here?
That's his son.
As a son? Were you with him before all this happened?
Yes, sir.
Has he take anything?
No, sir.
There's some marijuana. Yeah, here's the gun. It's a good thing we didn't come in here, James. Look right there. Look what he had waiting.
Talking to the Lord while they did it. He's busted every glass in here.
It's gonna sound so stupid, but he's got all of this Bible.
The officer finds a bloody bathtub with supplies that indicate the suspect was treating his gunshot wound. In addition, there's also a Bible, a pistol, and a rifle sitting right next to the tub.
Good.
Yep. I'm sorry, buddy. Right now, protocol is we can't have any riders.
Lottery, Satan, Jesus. Take a picture of it, son.
Did he actually make it into your trailer?
No, he was beating on the door. I thought he was going to break the door down.
Where did he get shot at? Like, where was he at?
I walked around here.
Okay. There was a rifle and a pistol laying in the tub in there where he was at.
Yeah.
It's probably a good thing we didn't go in there.
He was beating Jacob. Jacob had shot in the eye first beside his trailer because he had Karen locked in the bathroom.
Who'd he have locked in the bathroom?
His wife, Karen.
Wouldn't let her leave?
No, we could hear through the wall. We was
Okay.
afraid he was going to kill her in there, but
And that's his wife?
his wife, yeah.
Okay.
Give me that.
What's it? Oh.
Anyways, then he turned on me.
So he turned on you here?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's got you at gunpoint in the bathroom. Then Jacob comes in and sees that.
He put the gun on me a few times,
So a couple times he pointed the gun at you. Okay. Was it loaded?
I guess.
Okay.
Jacob knew that he had me in there, and
I tell you what, let's go in here and talk, and
So-
I'll get your statement because I don't want him to conflict at all.
So where did Jacob shoot him at? Where was he at?
Jacob had shot him somewhere over here close to the trailer because they both come running around the side of the trailer here. Josh was trying to take the gun away from Jacob and beating on his head at the same time.
Yeah, right here's where he's beating the door.
That's when I was panicking, calling 911 after Murray had already called Tim.
Where's the casing of the one that you shot him with? Do you know where it went?
running.
Jacob, what's your last name?
I was running. I don't know.
What's your date of birth, brother?
04.
Do you have a phone where I can get in contact with you if I need to talk to you?
Murray's phone number.
My name is.
And that's your mom in here?
But anyways, they did go outside, and he had Jacob down.
Did he have a gun on him at this time?
I don't know if he did or not. You have to ask Jacob there. Belinda was out there saying, Josh, please get off of him. And I went on to the front door. Belinda came in shortly, saying that she could not do nothing by the time she got Jacob in, and we locked the doors and called Jim's.
What was he trying to do after that? What was Josh trying to do after that?
He was beating on stuff. We could hear that.
In here?
Well,
Okay.
you can see.
Okay. And when did he come back over there?
Josh, he didn't.
Because the call we got is he was trying to kick the door in.
Oh, well, I guess he was.
So did you not see him trying to kick the door in, or what happened?
I was in the house at Mary's, but yeah, he was beating.
Beating on the door over there? So when did... Take me through that. Take me through what all happened with that.
Well, we had the doors locked and we were waiting on you.
Okay.
That's
When
what
was
we
the
did.
shot fired?
The one that Jacob did. It was a few minutes before we called Jim's because we knew we could do no more. We had to call you.
Right. Has he had like some kind of a mental break in the last couple of days, weeks or so?
Yes, that's what I'm trying to say.
So,
the last couple of days, he's been acting odd, but he's been real clingy to me, you know, and telling me that he loves me, saying a few things that might be off the wall.
like what?
Well, he burned a bunch of stuff, you know, that he had. Might have been looking for the tree of life. I don't know.
What's he normally like?
Normally, he's okay.
Do you know of him having any kind of drug addiction besides just
No.
painkillers?
No.
So I'm gonna go back through everything to make sure I didn't miss anything. I don't misquote you or anything like that. So he was in the bed or in the bathroom, had a gun pointed at you a couple times, and he was trying to get you to talk about Satan, say his name multiple times. What was he saying in the bathroom whenever you got here?
Jesus, Satan, puppies.
Jesus, Satan, puppies. And that's out of the normal of how he usually talks?
He keeps to himself. He don't let his secrets out. His father beat him to no end, and he promised me he'd never do that to me. And I probably pushed him to this point by being a smartass.
No,
No, it's not your fault.
No, you can't blame yourself for something like this.
It's not.
All right, ma'am. Can I get your name, please?
I still go by Karen.
Are you guys married?
Yes.
We'll hang out for a little bit. If I need to ask you any more questions, I'll come back in. I'll give you a break right now.
Okay.
The suspect, 42-year-old Joshua, was indicted on the charges of felony first-degree unlawful imprisonment for holding his wife in the bathroom against her will, felony first-degree assault on a service animal for attacking the K9 on scene, Dunya, and felony first-degree wanton endangerment for his disregard for the safety of others during the altercation. He was convicted on all 3 charges and sentenced to 5 years for the unlawful imprisonment charge, 1 year for the assault on a service animal charge, and 3 years for the wanton endangerment charge. He will serve his sentences concurrently at the Wayne County Detention Center with the eligibility for parole in October of 2027.